GM chats, you will not believe this. Coinbase is officially joining the S&P 500 today. Yeah, the same platform your grandma once thought was a scam is now rubbing shoulders with the likes of Apple and JP Morgan. That's wild. Welcome back to Doom Crypto, your daily dose of market chaos, degen wisdom, and all things real in crypto. If you're holding trading or just watching from the sidelines, you are in the right place. Smash that like, tap subscribe, and let's break it down. First, let's start with a quick market overview. Bitcoin definitely took a breather today. The price is still swinging between $102,000 and $106,000. This is very solid volatility if you are into scalp trades. But Bitcoin is still holding strong over $100,000, so nothing to worry about. Ethereum couldn't hold above $2,500 and dipped, but don't write it off just yet. It's still up huge on the week, and analysts are eyeing $5,000 in the midterm. Ethereum's price action and the momentum currently is overall bullish, and the price is around $2,400. It might be still a very good buy opportunity for you. But of course, no financial advice. Unfortunately, Solana dumped down to $160 after getting rejected near $176. It's definitely in a reset phase. Nothing scary unless you bought the top. The support at $160 is still holding strong. Let's hope it won't break down or it can get nasty. XRP is sitting at $2.32 and it is continuing its favorite game, sideways crab walk. But consolidation here could turn into fireworks if volume returns. Overall, the market is pulling back after a strong week. Nothing unusual. If you are new, this is where people get shaken out. But for those who have seen a few cycles, you already know this is where you plan and not panic. Now the top news of today, Coinbase joins the S&P 500. Coinbase is officially entering the S&P 500 today and is replacing Discover Financial Services. This move gives Coinbase a new level of institutional legitimacy and a lot more eyeballs from traditional finance. Imagine explaining this to someone in 2017. Coinbase in the same league as McDonald's and Microsoft. Love it or hate it, this is a huge win for crypto exposure. Now let's just hope they don't crash the site again. This is very bullish news. Chainlink and Tron have announced a partnership with Tron DAO, integrating Chainlink's decentralized price oracles into its network. This integration marks a significant milestone for Tron's DeFi infrastructure, introducing more secure and reliable data feeds for smart contracts. The collaboration positions Tron to compete in the growing asset tokenization market, currently valued at around $3.5 billion. Until now, most major asset tokenization projects have been built on Ethereum due to Chainlink's native tooling there. At press time, Link has been stagnant at around $16 for the past week, while TRX is up 4% in the same period to 27 cents. Chainlink's price recently closed above the resistance range with a bullish engulfing candle, signaling building momentum. Investors are hopeful that Link may reach $20 soon. This integration could be a game changer for both Tron and Chainlink, potentially driving significant price movements for TRX and Link in the near future. Cardano has been on a solid uptrend in May, climbing 23% in the last month alone, currently trading at around 76 cents. Analysts are anticipating the assets climb to $1 for the first time since March 2025. A recent massive transfer of almost 70 million ADA from Coinbase to an unknown wallet has raised speculations about a significant whale move. Such large accumulations often point towards a potential rally. Analysts cite 81 cents at the first resistance level to breach for ADA to climb towards $1. If ADA can maintain this momentum and break through this level, it could set the stage for further gains. The combination of whale activity and positive market sentiment could provide a necessary push for ADA to reach the $1 mark in the near term. Bitcoin closed last week at $106,500, its highest weekly candle close in history. That's not a meme, that's real institutional FOMO pushing candles. Highest weekly close ever, that's your signal. Retail may be quiet, but the big boys aren't. If we stay above 100k long enough, 120k is next. Keep that in mind. But Bitcoin bulls should still be careful with longing Bitcoin now. Because if Bitcoin breaks the 100k mark, then it could get very bad again. We could see Bitcoin dump down to $92,000, $93,000 again. For example, one analyst shows this inverse head and shoulders pattern, which is usually bearish, and it could signal a breakdown for Bitcoin. So be careful with trading futures or setting up long trades. Now, this is also very interesting. Tether, the issuer of the USDT stablecoin, has overtaken Germany in US Treasury holdings, now possessing over 120 billion in Treasury bills. This positions Tether as the 19th largest holder globally, surpassing Germany's $111 billion holding. This milestone underscores Tether's commitment to a conservative reserve management strategy, enhancing its role in distributing dollar-denominated liquidity at scale. In the first quarter of 2025, Tether reported over $1 billion in operating profit from traditional investments, primarily driven by its US Treasury portfolio. Tether's significant investment in US Treasuries not only reinforces its financial stability, but also highlights the growing intersection between traditional finance and the crypto industry. As stablecoins continue to gain traction, such developments may influence future regulatory frameworks and market dynamics. Now, this is to everyone who says layer 2s are dead and useless. The rapid rise of Ethereum layer 2 solutions isn't a problem. It's a sign of healthy growth and innovation. According to Igor Mandrigin, co-founder and CTPO of Gateway.fm, the future isn't chain consolidation, but a thriving ecosystem of thousands of specialized layer 2s. He argues that the proliferation of layer 2s is not causing the Web3 space to become overly bloated or fragmented. Instead, it's the early innings of a multi-decade explosion in specialized modular blockchain infrastructure. The expansion of Ethereum's layer 2 ecosystem reflects the platform's adaptability and the community's commitment to scalability and innovation. As more specialized layer 2s emerge, users can expect enhanced performance, lower fees, and tailored solutions for various applications. This is all for today, chats. If you made it this far, you're not just here for the candles, you are here to win. So hit a like and drop a subscribe and leave a comment down below of your top play altcoin of this week. Make sure to follow my free Telegram group. The description you can also find in the bio. See you tomorrow on Doom Crypto. Stay liquid and keep hodling.